We've had a lot of good times in this workshop. Sadly, it's coming to a close. Thanks for seeing it through. But hey, don't cry. There's plenty of more awesome workshops coming. But we're going to sum up all the skills we've developed in the 4 C's. Confidence, control, connection, and conviction. Now, what does that mean? With confidence, you'll have good projection. You won't get nervous and rush. You won't hesitate. With control, you'll only use gestures to emphasize main points. You'll keep your pace conversational. With connection, you'll be able to sound genuine regarding the tone of your speech. You'll be able to look each audience member in the eye and make them feel acknowledged. With conviction, you'll speak from the heart. You'll have energy and demonstrate that you care. Alright guys, thanks for getting through the Build Your Skills workshop. I feel like we've grown a connection. But if you like the content, if you felt like you've learned, please share, comment, like, subscribe, anything helps. And stay tuned for the next workshop, focusing on refining your skills. Alright, peace.